Namaste my dear friends. Quotient of power with the same base. Let us divide 3 raised to the power of 5 by 3 cubed. First we write the expanded form of the quotient. After the simplification, numerator is 3 times 3. That is 3 squared and the denominator is 1. Because 1 is a common factor for each and every number, we rewrite the fraction as 3 squared also. In another way, bases are equal, that is common base, and subtract smaller exponent from the bigger exponent, we get the result. Suppose, divide a raised to the power of 7 by a raised to the power of 6. And if we compare the exponents, 7 is greater than 6. So, we write the result is in the numerator only. Here, a is a common base, so, in the result, a is the base, subtract 6 from 7. We get the result. That is, a, or, a, raised to the power of 1. Similarly, divide a, raised to the power of m, by, a, raised to the power of, n. If m, is greater than n. In this case, base a, is common, so in the result, a, is the base, and the exponent is, subtract smaller exponent from bigger exponent. That is, m minus n. Let us divide 2 cubed by 2 raised to the power of 7, and observe the expanded form of the quotient. After the simplification, the numerator is 1, because 1 is a common factor of any number, and denominator 2 is repeated 4 times as a factor. So, the result is 1 on 2 raised to the power of 4. In another way, denominator is bigger, because, here, bases are equal, so ignore the base, and the exponent denominator is bigger, hence we write the common base in the denominator and 1 in the numerator. Coming to the exponent, subtract smaller exponent from the bigger exponent. That is, subtract 3 from 7, or in the written form, 7 minus 3, is 4. Similarly, divide 6 raised to the power of 4 by 6 raised to the power of 6, can written as 1 on 6 raised to the power of 6 minus 4. And the result is 1 on 6 squared. As overall view, divide a raised to the power of m by a raised to the power of n. If m is less than n, then we can write the result as 1 on a raised to the power of n minus m. We use either one of these, and simplify the solution. Here, we use formula to simplify the solution. According to the question, base is 7, that is, a is 7. And the exponents are m is 9, and n is 5. Here, m is greater than n, that is 9 is greater than 5. So the formula is a raised to the power of m minus n. Substitute the values in the formula, and simplify the exponent. That is, a is 7, m is 9, and n is 5. Finally, we get 7 raised to the power of 4. According to the question, base is 3, that is, a is 3. And the exponents are m is 5, and n is 6. Here, m is less than n, that is 5 is less than 6. So the formula is 1 on a raised to the power of n minus m. Substitute the values in the formula, and simplify the exponent. That is, a is 3, n is 6, and m is 5. Finally, we get 1 on 3 raised to the power of 1. Or 1 on 3, or 1/3. If you want more information about the content or anything related to the subject, please refer to the blogger and clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching the video, friends.